Power your home with the Luminous 335W Polycrystalline Solar Panel. Harnessing the clean energy of the sun is a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce their electricity bills and environmental impact. The Luminous 335W Polycrystalline Solar Panel is a powerful and efficient option to consider for your rooftop solar installation. Built to last. This luminous solar panel boasts a 25-year performance warranty, ensuring reliable electricity generation for decades to come. It complies with stringent IEC standards, guaranteeing quality and durability. Efficient energy production. The panel delivers a maximum power output of 335 watts, converting sunlight into clean electricity for your home. Luminous touts its best-in-class conversion efficiency, maximizing the power you get from sunlight. Features for optimal performance: anti-reflective coating and back surface passivation, BSF. These features enhance light absorption, squeezing every bit of energy from sunlight. Advanced EVA encapsulation protects the solar cells from environmental factors, ensuring long-term performance. High-strength, lightweight aluminum frame provides superior structural integrity to withstand wind and snow loads. PID resistance technology protects against potential induced degradation, a common issue that can reduce power output. Excellent low-light performance maintains efficient electricity generation even in cloudy or low-light conditions. Invest in a sustainable future. By choosing solar power, you are not only saving money on electricity but also contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable future. The Luminous 335W Polycrystalline Solar Panel is a powerful and reliable option to kickstart your journey towards solar energy independence. Ready to make the switch? Contact Luminous today to learn more about the 335W Polycrystalline Solar Panel and how it can benefit your home. With its impressive features, warranty, and commitment to clean energy, this luminous solar panel is a smart investment for a brighter tomorrow. Note: since the price of the solar panel can change, I omitted mentioning the specific price from the original product page.